In this video series, we're going to be discussing Win-Dors Dealer Software, also known as Open Janela. Open Janela is a locally installed cloud-based application which allows you to do real-time quoting on both standard and custom Windor products. It also eliminates redundant order entry, which saves time and the errors that are associated with entering quotes and orders in multiple software platforms. In upcoming videos, we're going to show you how to install OJ on your computer or laptop, how to enter a customer, set up customers' option defaults, enter and edit a quote. We'll also show you a detailed video on entering each product series, how to edit mullion height and locations, add and edit grids, and finally how to place an order. Whether you hear us refer to it as Windors Dealer Software, the Dealer Software, Open Janela, OJ, or OpenJ, it's all the same thing. For additional information, please visit us on the web. Thank you for watching.